NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, presents Aeronautics and Space Report.
This is the Apollo Command Module. A spacecraft like this will one day carry astronauts to the moon and back. Many rigorous tests are making certain it is safe for that first historic journey. These particular tests are taking place at the Manned Spacecraft Center, Houston. Here, instrumented dummies sit in for the astronauts to see if the spacecraft lands softly enough to prevent injury to crewmen should they be forced to come down over land. The full-scale impact facility can also closely duplicate normal and emergency water landings. As the spacecraft falls into a 33-foot deep pool, motion picture cameras and electronic sensors monitor the effects of the landing. Galveston Bay was the scene recently of preparations for a sea test of the Apollo Command Module. Astronauts James Lovell, Charles Duke and Stuart Dusa were selected to ride the spacecraft, checking its seaworthiness and practicing getting out at sea. After the hatch was closed, the three men and spacecraft were swung over the side. Divers practiced righting the command module, an important task should the spacecraft not land in an upright position. Here, the three men get out and board their life raft for a trip back to the pickup ship. Apollo testing, helping prepare man and his machines for future flights into space. It's called Atlas Agena, a rocket combination used in 32 launches. It has boosted aloft rangers and lunar orbiters to the moon, mariners to Mars and Venus, and served as a training device for the astronauts during the manned Gemini program. NASA used this particular rocket combination for the last time recently to launch another in the series of Orbiting Geophysical Observatories, OGO 5. OGO, 1,347 pounds of spacecraft. On board, 24 scientific experiments, some designed to measure the effects of giant thermonuclear reactions on the sun. While these solar flares take place, OGO's many sensors monitor their effect on our atmosphere, weather, and communications, allowing more accurate weather forecasting and better scheduling of manned space flights. With its egg-shaped orbit, ranging from about 175 to 92,000 miles above Earth, OGO is observing such things as radiation, magnetic fields, cosmic rays, and even mysterious radio noises coming from near the planet Jupiter. It can store 86 million bits of information and transmit them back to the ground. Orbiting Geophysical Observatory, a research satellite making a comprehensive survey of how the sun influences conditions on Earth.
This has been an Aeronautics and Space Report presented by NASA, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration.